Have you ever wondered why people say bless you when someone sneezes? This tradition is ancient and surprisingly fascinating. In the past, people believed that sneezing could actually let evil spirits enter the body or that it signaled a serious illness spreading. So, saying bless you was like a quick blessing to protect you from harm or illness. Another common belief was that a sneeze momentarily stopped your heart. Saying bless you was a way to wish for your heart to start again. Over time, this turned into a polite response we still use today. And here's something interesting. In Germany, people say Gesundheit, which just means health, while in Italy, they say salute for good health. In Japan, there's actually no tradition of saying anything after a sneeze, and in some cultures, a sneeze is thought to be a sign that someone is thinking of you. So, what's the custom in your country? Let us know in the comments.